Alrighty, folks, what are the 5 ways to go bust, go bankrupt? There are lots and lots of ways to do that in real estate investing. There are lots of folks that unfortunately will suffer that in the commercial or syndication space. But here are my 5 things that make you go bust or go bankrupt. Number one, you skip the work. You gamble, you rush, you take your shot. You buy the first thing or the third thing that you see. You buy because somebody on the internet said Gary, Indiana is a great place to go, so you just buy something. Folks, what the heck are you doing? You are talking about discretionary income that you have saved and saved and saved, and you are going to gamble it without doing the work? No good. Number two, you are not focused. This is the one that I see trip up most people, the one that I spend the most time trying to help you get focused on your buy box, and you are not focused. Not only are you not focused, but you are looking at everything everywhere. Stop that right now. That is getting you nowhere. It is taking you backwards. It is you are either not going to buy something or you're going to gamble because you're just frustrated and tired. Number three, you go for max leverage. Folks, as I shared with you in this amazing book, One Rental at a Time, I did that. My first cash out refi. I did not know any better. I went max leverage and I hurt myself. Don't do that. This is not a leverage game. This is not a build. This is not about unit count. This is about safe, get to 4 rentals, cash flow all the time, no gambling, no rushing, no max leverage. You do not want a house of cards where one strong breeze will knock it over. Number four, you tried to do everything yourself. Again, I've admitted many times in this book, I tried to do it myself. I thought the answer lived in Excel. Folks, real estate investing is a people business. You've got to get out there. You've got to meet people. You've got to network in real life if you can. I believe getting around other positive people doing the work that have experience that you want is vital. It's hard. Real estate investing is always hard. But again, if you're around folks, they will tell you, they will give you coaching. They will say, yes, that's happened to us too. You are not alone. Get around other folks. And then finally, this is the big one that I saw blow up in '08 and blowing up right now in commercial, short-term debt. It is my opinion that you should do whatever you can to get 30-year fixed rate money. In the United States, we happen to be very lucky where 30-year fixed rate debt is a standard offering for residential properties. It is also an offering by folks that do DSCR loans if you look around enough. I have done 30-year fixed on apartments, on office buildings, thanks to one of my lenders. But again, watch your debt structure. One of the scariest days of our investing careers when we had an apartment building and the second was on a 5-year balloon. We were sure, we were certain that we would be able to add value to the apartment building in 5 years. Lo and behold, it blew up. The 5-year term was in '08 or '09, I think '09, and it caught us by surprise. Now, thankfully, in that scenario, the seller understood. The seller didn't want it back, and we just extended the term for 5 years and eventually paid her off. But again, watch your debt structure. Watch short term. I don't care. 30-year fixed, 30-year fixed, 30-year fixed. All righty, folks. There are lots of other ways you can go bust. Leave your comments below, but I wanted to keep it to 5 because I just did a video on the 5 ways to get rich or be successful. So here are the 5 ways to go bust. Hope you have a great day. Later.